Get rid of cat odor naturally. Sometimes, having a pet can be a bit troublesome. It still is an animal living in human surroundings. They can knock things down or chew on the wrong clothes. You cannot blame them because they are animals and would not know better. All you can do is clean up their messes and try to train them not to do it again. Cats make good pets. They are loving creatures and do not need a lot of maintenance. However, sometimes, they can really affect the way your home smells. Cat odor can be a real nuisance for homeowners. Most of the time, the smell is attributed to a cat's urine. This smell can seep into your floors and clothes if you do not treat it properly. You can naturally get rid of cat odor just by mixing a few liquids. Here is how: dry up the spot. If you have reached a spot where the evidence is still fresh, i.e. the urine has yet to dry, get yourself a lot of paper towels or old rags. Soak up the liquid, do not wipe it. If your pet urinated on a rug or carpet, dab the area to try to soak up as much liquid as possible. Paper towels are easily disposable, but make sure that you use old rags that you can do away with since you won't be using them for anything else anymore. Vinegar solution. Make a vinegar and water solution. Mix in 3 parts warm water with 1 part white vinegar. Pour this mixture onto the area and let it sit. Use paper towels or an old rag to really work in the vinegar solution. Dry the spot and repeat the process until you get rid of the stench. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. If your cat has urinated on a carpet or rug, add in this next step. Pour baking soda over the area. Cover it well. You will need 3/4 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide solution, 1 teaspoon hydrogen peroxide mixed with a cup of water. Mix into this a tablespoon of your favorite laundry detergent. Stir well. Pour this over the baking soda. Take an old brush, one that you can do without, and work the whole thing into the carpet. You have to really get into the fibers. Afterwards, vacuum the spot to get rid of residue. Apple cider vinegar. For odors on your clothes, add about 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar to your laundry when you wash. This along with your detergent will wash the stink off and make your clothes smell like apples. Scented surroundings. To get rid of residual effects, fill your home with scented candles and other aromatic things like flowers. They will mask unpleasant odors and give your home a nice bit of freshness to it. You own a really great pet cat. Apart from getting hairy, things can get smelly. The best way to get rid of cat smells naturally is to have a good stock of common things like baking soda, vinegar, and hydrogen peroxide. These liquids can get rid of the foul odor and give you peace of mind the next time your cat decides to wet the bed.